Good day everyone, I'm Philip Harbin Cabo, and today's video we will talk first access array item. Accessing items in arrays. Arrays are data structures that store collections of items. Each item in an array has a unique identifier called an index. Indexes typically start at 0. There are two main types of arrays, index arrays and associative arrays. Index arrays use numerical indexes to access items. Associative arrays use key value pairs to access items. The key acts like a label for the value. Here's an example of how to access items and an index arrays. $cars equals array, open parentheses, Volvo, BMW, Toyota, close parentheses, and semicolon. Echo $cars, bracket 2, double glyphs. This will print Toyota. In this example, the $cars array is an index array that stores 3 car brands. To access the third item, which is Toyota, we use the index 2. Here's an example of how to access items in an associative array. $cars equals array, open parenthesis, brand equals greater than Ford, model equals greater than Mustang, year equals greater than 1964, and semicolon. Echo $cars, year bracket, semicolon, double glyphs. This will print 1964. In this example, the $cars array is an associative array that stores information about a car. To access value for the key year, we use the syntax $cars bracket year. You can use either single quotes or double quotes when accessing items in arrays. Next is executing a function item in an array. Arrays can store items of any data type, including functions. To execute a function item in an array, use the following steps. Number 1. Identify the index of the function item in the array. Arrays are 0 indexed, so the first item has an index of 0. The second item has an index of 1, and so on. Number 2. Use the index of the function item followed by parentheses to execute the function. Here's an example. Function, my function, parentheses, echo, I come from a function. $my array equals array, open parentheses, Volvo, 15, my function, close parentheses, semicolon. $my array, bracket 2, open and close parentheses, semicolon, double glyphs. This will output I came from a function. In this example, the my function is stored at index 2 of the $my array or array. To execute the function, we use the $my array, bracket 2, and parentheses. Using associative arrays, you can also use associative arrays to store functions. Associative arrays use key value pairs to access items. The key acts like a label for the value. Here are the steps to execute a function item in an associative array. Number 1. Identify the key that is associated with the function item. Number 2. Use the key name followed by parentheses and execute the function. Here is an example. Function, my function, open and close parentheses, echo. I came from a function, semicolon. $my array equals array, open parentheses, car equals greater than Volvo, age equals greater than 15, message equals greater than my function, and close parentheses, semicolon. $my array, bracket message, parentheses, semicolon, double glyphs. This will output I came from a function. In this example, my function is stored with a key message in the $my array, associative array. To execute the function, we use the $my array, bracket message, parentheses, semicolon. Next is looping through arrays. Arrays are collections of items stored in a single variable. There are two main ways to loop through arrays in PHP, using a for each loop and using a for loop. Using for each loop. A for each loop is a simple way to iterate over each item in an array. Here's the syntax. PHP. For each open parenthesis, dollar sign, array as a dollar sign value, close parenthesis, bracket, double glyphs, your code to process the item. The for each loop iterates over item in the array item. The current item is assigned to the value variable in each iteration of the loop using a for loop. You can also use a for loop iterate over an array. Here's the syntax. PHP 4 open parenthesis dollar sign I equals 0 semicolon dollar sign I less than count open parenthesis dollar sign array close parenthesis semicolon dollar sign I plus plus close parenthesis bracket double glyphs your code to process the item at index dollar sign I close bracket. The for loop uses a counter variables $i to iterate over the $array. The loop continues as long as $i is less than the number of items in the array. Count array, $array. On each iteration of the loop, the current item is accessed using the index $i, semicolon. Looping through associative arrays. When looping through associative arrays, the for each loop provides a more convenient way to access both the key and value of each item. Here's the syntax. For each open parenthesis $array as $key equals greater than $value close parenthesis in bracket double glyph your code to process the key value pair close bracket. The for each loop iterates over each key value pair in the $array. Associative array, the current key is assigned to the $key variable and the current value is assigned to the $value variable on each iteration of the loop. Next is updating array items in a for each loop. There are two main ways to update array items while looping through using a for each loop in PHP. Number 1. Direct assignment. Here's an example of updating an item in an index array using direct assignment PHP. $sign cars equals array open parenthesis Volvo, BMW, Toyota, close parenthesis semicolon. For each open parenthesis $sign cars as a key, $sign key equals greater than value, close parenthesis. $sign cars open bracket $sign key close bracket equals Ford, semicolon, double glyph, update all items to Ford. Print R open parenthesis $sign cars close parenthesis semicolon double glyph. This will output array open parenthesis open bracket close bracket equals greater than Ford, bracket 1 equals greater than Ford, bracket 2. In this example, the for each loop iterates over the $sign cars array. Inside the loop, we assign the value Ford to the current item using its index $sign key. That this effectiveness updates the original array. Next is adding items to arrays. There are two main ways to add items to arrays in PHP. Using array assignment by reference, open parenthesis bracket, close parenthesis. Using the array underscore push, open and close parenthesis function. Using array assignment by reference, you can use array assignment by reference, open parenthesis bracket, close parenthesis to add new items to the end of an array. Here's an example. PHP $fruits equals array open bracket apple, banana, cherry, close bracket equals orange. In this example, the $fruits array is an index array. We can add a new item orange to the end of the array using the assignment by reference syntax $fruits bracket. Using the array underscore push bracket function. The array underscore push bracket function is another way to add items to an array. It adds one or more items to the end of an array. Here's an example. PHP $fruits equals array open parenthesis apple, banana, cherry, close parenthesis semicolon. Array underscore push open parenthesis $fruits orange, mango, close parenthesis semicolon. Adding items to associative arrays. You can add items to associative arrays using the array assignment by reference syntax Here's an example. PHP $cars equals array, open parenthesis brand equals greater than Ford, model equals greater than Mustang, close parenthesis, semicolon, $, cars, bracket color equals red, semicolon. In this example, the $cars array is an associative array. We can add new item color with the value red using the assignment by reference syntax, $cars or bracket color, red. Modifying array values in a for each loop. There are two main ways to modify array values while looping through them using a for each loop in PHP. Number 1, direct assignment. You can directly assign a new value to the array item within the loop. This will modify the original array. Here's an example of updating an item in an index array using direct assignment. $cars equals array, open parenthesis, Volvo, BMW, Toyota, close parenthesis, semicolon. For each, open parenthesis, $cars as $key equals greater than $value, close parenthesis. $cars bracket key equals Ford, semicolon, double glyph, update all items to Ford. Print underscore R, parenthesis, $cars, semicolon, double glyph, this will output array. Bracket 0 equals greater than Ford, bracket 1 is equals greater than Ford, bracket 2 equals greater than Ford. In this example, the for each loop iterates over the cars array. Inside the loop, we assign the value Ford to the index using its index $key. This effectively updates. You can update an item by reference within the loop. This is done by prepending the character to the variable name in the for each loop definition. The for each loop iterates over the $cars array. Inside the loop, we assign the value Ford to the current item using its index $key. This effectively updates the original array. Important note: while reference assignment is a way to update array items within a loop, it's generally less preferred than direct assignment due to potential confusion and unintended consequences, especially when dealing with nested loops or multiple for each loops operating on the same array. If you need to modify the original array while looping through it, consider using direct assignment. Lastly, the adding multiple items to associative arrays. You can add multiple items to associative arrays in PHP using the array merge operator or parentheses plus. Here's an example. In this example, the $cars associative array stores information about a car. The $more underscore cars associative array stores additional information about the same car. We can use the plus operator to merge the $more underscore cars array into the $cars array. The result is a new array that about the same car. We can use the plus operator to merge the $more underscore cars array into the $cars array. The result is a new array that contains all the key value pairs from both arrays. Important note: the plus operator will overwrite existing case with the same name from the right operand, the second array, to the left operand, the first array, in the resulting array. That will be all in this video. Thank you.